Hey tech fans! Fresh out of the rumor mill, we've got some exciting leaks about Samsung's Galaxy S24 just before the much-awaited Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17, 2024. According to the buzz from Android headlines, Samsung might be taking a giant leap in update support for its new Galaxy flagships, extending it to a whopping 7 years. While it's still in the rumor stage, this 7-year timeline seems pretty plausible, especially since Google upped the ante with a similar duration for their Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro last year. It looks like Samsung's been taking notes from Google's playbook. If you're familiar with the Pixel 8, you'll recognize the generative AI features that Samsung is now branding as Galaxy AI. The first promo in the gallery gives us a sneak peek at the Magic Editor clone. This nifty feature lets Samsung phones, including the Galaxy S24 series, easily move, enlarge, or tweak objects in photos with the help of Galaxy AI. The render images of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra confirm the camera hardware details that have been floating around. But wait, there's a bit of a red flag. The latest leak suggests that these new AI functions on supported Galaxy phones will be free only until at least 2025. After that, some features might become chargeable. Given that Google doesn't charge extra for its AI features, this move could be a bit controversial among Samsung fans. Samobile's On Blast also tossed in a few official promo images. While not high-res, these images validate other new features like circling objects in an image for search, real-time translation of calls, improved zoom in low light, a brighter display, and assistance from Galaxy AI in Samsung Notes. And here's something that'll rev your engines. Samsung is touting super fast charging 2.0. However, leaked data suggests it supports a maximum of 45 or 25 watts. So, stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the Galaxy Unpacked event. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you enjoyed this update, smash that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Your support means the world to us. Don't hesitate to drop your thoughts and comments down below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, take care and stay awesome.